Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Startup Academy, your online gateway to success in ISS exam. This academy is exclusively for ISS only, and we have started a new topic from paper 3, which is time series. In the previous lecture, I told you about what is time series, sorry, some of its example, and the main components of the time series. Today we learn how can we measure the components of the time series. So as you all know, the first component was trend. So we learn about trend. But before that, let us say that there are two kinds of model from which we can measure the time series. Measurement of time series. First of all, the first kind of measurement is addition additive model. In additive model, the time series which is measured, let us say, which is denoted by YT, can be written as, first of all, trend is denoted by TT plus seasonal variation ST plus cyclic variation CT plus random component RT. Okay, and the second one is your multiplicative model. So multiplicative model can be written as, again, YT is equals to trend component multiplied by seasonal component multiplied by cyclic component multiplied by random component. Or we can also write it like that, taking log on both sides. Log of YT is equals to log of TT, which is trend, plus log of seasonal variation, which is ST, plus log of cyclic variation, which is CT, plus log of random variation, which is RT. We can write we can write here that where TT is trend component, ST is seasonal component, CT is cyclic component, and RT is random component. So these are the two types of model. This can again be termed under additive model, because we are adding here, taking the log of multiplicative model. Okay, so these were the two methods of measurement of time series. Now moving on further, we'll be calculating measurement of trend, or TT. So measurement of trend can be done in four ways. We have four methods to measure trend. First method is simple graphical method. The second one is method of semi averages. The third method is method of least square. This we have done in econometrics as well, so it would be easier for us. Least sum of square we can write. And the fourth method is method of moving averages. So these are the four methods. First is graphical method, second is method of semi-averages, then the third is method of least sum of square, and the fourth one is method of moving averages. So we'll move forward to the first method, which is graphical method. What happens in graphical method? Simply the data is given and we have to plot a graph, and a linear graph has to be plotted. Let us take the example. We can write smooth general line, trend line is plotted. Suppose we have to take an example where time is given as t and yt is the, we can say, yt is the income we are taking in thousands. So in 2001, 2005, the income of someone was, let us say, 5,000. Then in 2006, it became 7,000. Then 7, it became 11,000. Then 2008, it became 15,000. 2009, it became 18,000. Okay, so this is the simple graph. We'll draw this graph. On the x-axis, we'll take income, which is, we'll take multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And on the x-axis, we'll take the years: 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2000. Okay, or till 2009 is only given. So in 2005 it was 5,000. So here it will come here. In 2006 it was 7,000. So it will come nearby here. 2007 it was 11,000. So here. 2008 it was sorry. So it was here. And 2009 it was 18,000, so it was here. So our line would be something like this. So this is our trend line of the data. This was the formula of graphical method. Simple, as we have learned to make the graph. Simple is the method, like that only. Now moving on further with the second method, which is also known as method of semi-averages. It involves some step. We'll write steps. So step 1 is divide the data into two halves. If n is equals to odd, then skip the middle value. So if we have been given a data of, suppose we have been given the same data, 2005 to 2009. Here n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is, we have to divide the data into two equal parts. If n would have been equal to 6, then three parts would be in first part and three values would be in second part. But here n is equals to 5, so we'll skip this. So we'll skip this part. This would be our first part and this would be our second part, like this. Okay. So first method is this. Then calculate separate averages. Yeah, we have to calculate the separate averages of both parts. Say these averages are x1 bar and x2 bar. X1 bar for first part and x2 bar for second part. Then the third one would be, if we have calculated the averages of both the parts, then we'll plot x1 bar in the middle of first set of values or first part, and x2 bar in the middle of second set of values. Okay, so we plot x1 bar and x2 bar like that, and then we'll join these 2 points to get trend line. So these are the steps involved in method of semi-averages, and we'll do an example that will make it more clearer. So from 1992, 93, 94 up till we'll take 2004. 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. The values are 53, 79, 53, 79, 76, 66, 69, 94, 66, 69, 94, 105, 87, 79, 104, 87, 79, 104, 97, 92, 101, 97, 92, 101. So this is the year, which is T, and this is the values in crores or income in, we can say bank clearances in crores. This has been given for our as a data. So the first step was to divide the data into two equal halves. So we'll calculate how much parts are there: 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 parts. So we'll divide it into 6 and 6 parts, and we'll ignore the middle value. So this is our first part and this is our second part. The second step was to this. We have done first step. The second step was to find the x1 bar, which is the average of first 6 values, which is 53 plus 79 plus 76 plus 66 plus 69 plus 94 upon 6. And similarly, we'll calculate the value of x2 bar, which is 87 plus 79 plus 104 plus 97 plus 92 plus 101 upon 6. So these are the values I'm writing directly, which is 72.83 and 93.33. Now we have to plot these values in the graph only. So suppose our graph is drawn. So here it is 1994, then 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000, 01, 02, 03, 04. Okay, and then we'll write the values here from 50. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Okay. So we the first value of x bar was 72.83 and second is 93.33. 72.83 is something here, and we have to plot this in the middle of these 6 values: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the middle of these 3 values are here only. And 93.33. 2. Okay, it has been from 2. So this is 2, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 6 value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This comes here. We'll ignore 97 and these 6 values. So this will be here only, 93 point something comes here only. And now we plot the rest of the points. The rest points are 93, 53, 79. First one is 53, comes here. Then second one is 79, goes there. 76, 66. Here it is 76, then 66, then 69, 94. 69, 94, 105, 87, 105 is somewhere here, 87 is somewhere here, then 79, 104, 79 is somewhere here, 104 is somewhere here, 97, 92. 97 is somewhere here, 92 is somewhere here, and 101. 101 is somewhere here. Okay, so we'll draw a line. So this was our data, and the trend line which we have got is this. This is our trend line. This is how we draw our, we can label the year T and YT. This is how we draw a graph using method of semi-averages. I hope that all the points, this we have taken in the middle. This also we have taken in the middle. So I hope that the two methods are very clear to you. The rest two we'll do in the comment lecture. If you have doubt in any of them, you can ask in the comment section, and if you or in our WhatsApp channel. I hope that you have been covering the topics simultaneously along with us and practicing your own way. Exam, there is not much time left in the exam, so keep on working harder. All the best. Thank you.